Hey guys, if you're in search of headphones that can accompany you on land and in water, you've come to the right place. Today I'll be sharing my 2 months long-term review and hands-on experience with the Creative Outlier Free Pro headphones. From design to functionality, we'll cover it all. They boast features like Bluetooth 5.3, IPX8 waterproof rating, which is the highest waterproof rating for water immersion, and unique bone conduction design. These headphones have caught the attention of many active people, and rightly so. But do they live up to their expectations? Let's find out. The first thing that stands out of these headphones is their lightweight and comfortable design. They feel great for long-term use. However, during my testing, especially while swimming, I noticed a minor concern. The microphone cover tends to pop out more easily than I'd like. It's meant to be protecting headphones from water, so it's worth keeping an eye on. The headphones come in 2 main types: the standard and pro versions. More recently, they've also added a new type, the Plus variant, which offers adjustable transducers for more customized fit. Personally, I didn't experience any discomfort with this feature. The main difference between standard and pro is water resistance and onboard storage. The pro version has 8 GB of storage, which is enough for about 1,500 to 2,000 songs, though you might want to keep fewer tracks to revisit your favorites easily. Since there is no screen or song selection method, you can only skip or go back one song at a time. So if for some reason you'd like to start a playlist from the beginning, well, you'll be clicking in for a while. Since we're on the subject of controls, the headphones feature 3 tactile buttons, a multifunction button and volume up and down. They work well in normal operation as well as underwater, which is pretty important. When it comes to sound quality, opinions can be subjective, but here's my take. The Creative Outlier Free Pro delivers an omnidirectional sound experience with bone conduction technology, which is a game changer here. By transmitting sound waves to the inner ears via the vibrations of the cheekbones, it enables the wonders of open ear listening experience, and that results in significant boost in environmental awareness, leading to safer listening experience when compared to traditional in-ear or over-ear headphones. While it may not be delivering the crispiest of sounds, it is still quite decent, especially considering its waterproof capabilities. The bass is noticeable, but be cautious when cranking it up, as it can cause peculiar vibration on your head. This can change considerably depending on the mode you're in. You actually get some earplugs in the box, and with the ears plugged in, the bass improves and the overall impact is more pronounced. However, this mode limits your awareness of the surroundings. If you open up the ears, you can hear everything around you, but the sound from the headphones is somewhat diminished. It's important to note that while swimming underwater, the sound is more akin to having earplugs in, providing a different listening experience altogether. I personally like the flexibility. They offer a fantastic option to use earplugs for focused listening or remove them when you want to be more aware of your surroundings, like in a busy pool or for added safety. One thing to consider, if you have them turned up, then there is considerable amount of sound spill, and people around you will certainly be able to hear them. The sound will be muffled but may be annoying for people around you. The inclusion of Bluetooth 5.3 and the quick charge battery mode adds to the versatility, allowing for convenient usage. However, it's worth noting that Bluetooth signal strength is not exceptionally strong, and the wire transfer speed is slower than desired. The transfer rate of about 700 to 800 kilobytes per second can be a bit of a hassle, especially if you want to update your songs quickly before going for a run or swim. Transferring just 50 songs can take up to about 5 minutes, which is inconvenient if you're in a hurry. I do appreciate the 10-hour battery life, but a 30-minute warning before battery dies would have been very helpful. The constant reminder of, well, every minute in the last 5 minutes is somewhat annoying. Another useful feature is the built-in microphone, allowing you to take calls when connected via Bluetooth to your phone or for some individuals through their smartwatches. This can be particularly handy for runners who prefer to stay connected during their workouts. Here are some samples from the microphone indoors and outdoors.
So this is a test performed outside. As you can see, I'm spraying the headphones. It's not exactly quiet right now. It's a bit after rain, but there's lots of bugs and actually skaters just going crazy. This is what you would expect if you get on a call. So this is what you should expect from using it indoors. This is obviously a more ideal environment, and I expect the sound to be a bit better. Let's have a look.
When purchasing these headphones, it's essential to keep a few considerations in mind. Firstly, be aware of the proprietary USB charging and data cable, as it may require extra care to avoid damage. Secondly, for those who wear glasses, these headphones might not be the most comfortable option, or they could feel somewhat cumbersome, depending on the type of glasses you have. It's a factor worth considering based on the personal preferences and glasses design. The other thing to consider is the ring that goes around the back of your head. This is going to be up to individual head shape and preference. This leads us well to the conclusion. My initial impression of these headphones was a bit disappointing, partly due to the original price and the sound quality. However, with time, I came to realize that they have their own niche. These headphones aren't intended to be high-end devices for audiophiles seeking top-notch music quality. Instead, their primary focus is on catering to active individuals who want music on the go, like using them in a pool. In this context, they excel and do a fantastic job. Especially when you consider the discounted price, they become a much more reasonable choice. What are your thoughts on this? Feel free to share your opinions in the comment section below. I hope you found this useful. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up and subscribe for more. We'll see you guys in the next one.